We are explorers. We are backpackers, surfers, climbers, and travelers who know that going big often means carrying less. Adventure travel needed a better bottle. That's why we created the HIBEAR All-Day Adventure Flask. With 10 times more functionality than your average bottle, we redefined possibility. Whether a steaming cup of coffee at first light or a cocktail by campfire, the HIBEAR Adventure Flask is the tool for fueling your adventure. The Flask's oversized steel filter lets you make tea or super strong cold brew on the go. Our innovative insulated lid inverts so you can make pour over wherever, whenever. And after a long day, you've earned that cocktail. The Flask is equipped with a strainer, making it the only cocktail shaker built for the wild. Over-engineered to ensure maximum durability, we constructed the lid and flask of powder-coated stainless steel. The base of our steel bottles would always get banged up. We weren't cool with that, so a silicone sleeve on the bottom maintains the flask's signature design and protects the base from small drops. The sleeve is also removable to double as a mug for your friends with 2 legs or 4. When your colds are supposed to be cold and your hot's hot, insulation is critical. We went above and beyond, insulating even the lid for 360 degrees of supreme vacuum insulation. We added a stainless steel thermal core to keep beverages cold without diluting them with ice. Just freeze for an hour and you're good to go with a cold beverage all day. Single-use plastic bottles really suck. We designed a bottle that you can use from dawn patrol to campfire with 0 waste. And the best part about the All-Day Adventure Flask? The All-Day nests neatly together and it's simple enough to use as your everyday, anywhere water bottle. Adventure travel needed a better bottle, and we delivered. From camper van to portaledge, the award-winning HIBEAR All-Day Adventure Flask is the tool for unmatched versatility, allowing you to pack less and explore more.